So what we're going to demonstrate is Chi Sao and how it's a partner exercise that you both get to learn off of working off the point of contact. So it's point of contact referencing with your arms and your nervous system. So it's not a fight, it's not a competition, it's a drill to improve your point of contact reflexes. So if he throws a round punch, notice I was talking to the camera and he threw the round punch, and then I threw my strike on center line and he covers it with that Wu Sao. And then I can move something, I can take this grunt Sao and go to the outside and thread to the outside and do a Fook Sao. Lar from here and do a Fook Sao. And he counters. So that's how we practice. And we use footwork. It's not a fixed step. There's forward pressure here. I can come up right off the line and go right to the center line. Notice on the inside line he blocks it. I take this arm and I shoot him out here and block, cover that arm. Then I bonks out here, take that off and do a Fook Sao. He covers it, I come up here with Bill G to the throat. See? So notice I switched my neutrals. Thank you. And we both learned something. So you notice my partner gives me the sign of Ming. He says, I've learned from you. We both learn from each other. Not a competition. So this helps you keep the humility of a warrior. So we're working with this as rolling the arms. Then there's an action. Now he's got this hand covered and this hand covered. So I'm going to take this hand, he's pushing this way, I'm going to thread out this way and mark. We've got a strike in there. He went to bonk Sao, he does a low strike, see? Now if I want to, I can exchange step out of that and come back in here with my own Fook Sao. But I use my footwork. Okay? And we both learn that way. That's what's fun about this. From this position, my Fook Sao is pushing the arm away from me, so I can go right here with this hand, strike right to the center line, he covers that, I go to Fook Sao here, control his balance, and I follow off with this arm, and control the elbows. Now, if this keeps coming, I just keep switching neutrals and following up until there's a break in contact. So he pulls my hand off, and I hit here, there's a break in contact, he loses his balance, we go back at it. So we reestablish the point of contact, and we work off the point of contact. I go straight in, boom, that's it, that's it. Now that was good because I was totally working off the point of contact in my peripheral vision. He did a spin, which normally people don't do, but who knows, it's developing spontaneous reflexes. So when he did that, I think I monitored the elbow and I slammed a vertical fist into his face, right into the face mask. The PPE saved the day. Boom, straight in. He fights now, he's got to follow up with something. Bam, see? So if I don't have this Wu Sao ready, I'm going to get tagged. So that means I do something like this, trap it, arm break it. Yeah, he follows with a Bill G. So we try to use palm strikes in Chi Sao because it's safer, so beginners. It's a little more advanced. And it's slow, it's not fast, it's controlled, but there's working off a point of contact. Yep, he follows that up, follow here, palm strike here. If the arm extends, you can drop that elbow, then you got an arm drag. Do the footwork here. Come off balance. He might have been out of camera. That's a good clip. Let's see how long that is. But you feel how soft that energy is? It's sticky energy, but it's soft.